need is this last 2 minutes, guys. That's it. Just give me that. You got rid of me, okay? So we'll be there as a team. You guys came together kind of individually here. This is where you want to bring it right now. And let's take that energy and put it on the boat. When we're on the boat, we're focused. And this is it. At the end of the day. So bring it in. On 3, blue canoe. 1, 2, 3. Blue canoe! Blue canoe.
That's it.
Get it in.
Go, guys.
We are a champion, guys. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Blue canoe! Woo!